one, I found this one for my daughter. This is a heart for the, for the pimple patch. So I picked this for her. And I have already the handle of this. So this is the Life Shaver razor cartridge. So I already have the handle. So I have to replace this right there, the cartridge. And I got this kitsch. This is a pillowcase. And you know what? It's matched on my hair clip. It's a cherry, guys. Kitsch pillowcase. This is a king size. It's only one in here. Look at that. Ooh, oops, I dropped that. That's big, right? I like this print.